Good day, everybody. Welcome to the Greens Experience. Today, what we're going to do is showcase some homes in California versus homes in Texas, the brawl for it all, so to speak. As you may have noticed by now, I'm flying solo today. The missus is still under the weather, so everybody pray for her. She has like a lingering cough, but she's okay. So without further ado, we're going to move right into the episode. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell and leave comments so that we know if you like this content. So moving right along, we're just coming right into a room. This is a home in California in the Solano County area, Northern California. And as you can see here, it's just showing you the room size. It's adjacent to a bathroom. This is a one-story home. So we're going to be moving about. They have this room set up like a nursery in this model home. Decent size. Most of the non-primary bedrooms have just sliding door closets, no walk-in. One thing that you'll see like there, the difference between California and Dallas. Most of the rooms in Texas, Dallas, Texas, that we look at will have walk-in closets. Here is the kitchen area in this home. You see the pantry right there. Nice layout, open concept. I think I'm pointing out something with the countertop, comparing it to ours, I think. And here is the family room area. Nice space, nice open, nice long hallway. And like I said, this is a one-story home, so they did well proportioning the space. Here's the primary bedroom. Decent space. So we're moving right along into what is the primary bathroom. Nice tub. Moving into the closet. For a one-story home in California, this is a nice closet. So we were definitely impressed when we saw that. So moving right along, I think I'm just showing you that they had added some extra storage, which is nice. Something you don't often see out here in California, which is an abundance of storage, especially if you have a larger footprint home. They usually try to make the rooms larger. Washroom, nice size. A little shelving in there. So this is the mudroom area off the garage. Again, just kind of trying to show you the scope of everything. This is a different home, two-story, as you can see with the stairs. This is the mudroom area right off of the garage. I was going to open the door, but I saw it was locked. They told us this was a tandem garage, which means you have a front and back for your third car option. Kitchen area, as you can see, pantry, gas stove. You'll notice the home that we're going to look at in Dallas, nice backyard, nice, which was something that was hard to find out here in California because they're trying to fit so many homes on their in their subdivisions that they kind of jip you on the backyard. But I was going to say, the homes in Dallas, the home that we look at in Dallas is going to have a gas stove, but not all of the subdivisions out there have gas stoves. Some of them have electric. So this is a guest wing or like a guest suite setup, full bathroom, desk area, and like a guest bedroom. It could also be your primary if you needed it to be. First floor. If you have people visiting that can't climb stairs, it's good to have a setup like that because they have everything they need in close proximity. Just going over the kitchen again. Let's see. All right, now we're upstairs. This is the loft area, equivalent to what Texas homes call a game room. We just call it a loft out here. Nice size, decent. Another desk area, which is nice, especially if you have kids. They have space to do their homework. And you can see this washroom here is nice. Plenty of shelves, counter space. Of course, this is a model home, so that probably was an option. This is the primary upstairs. Nice space. And we cruise houses. Asia likes to look at design and stuff, so see the tub, sink space, so it's right side by side. The baño, right here's obviously the closet, nice size. Walk in, and like I said, we went to look at homes and we're looking for homes that kind of fit what we wanted, and we're able to find this particular model that had kind of everything that we would expect or that we wanted to get. So we're just cruising around looking at other rooms, and excuse the camera, the vertical camera. I wasn't thinking when I took the footage, and I should have slanted it so that the picture would be wider, but here we're going to another room, nice size room. So the frame on this is kind of slender, but you still get the idea. So now we're going to move on to a Dallas home. This particular home is branded the same way as our model, so it's basically the same model name as ours, but each community is different, so the layout is a little bit different. In this particular subdivision, they had to have 60% of the livable space on the first floor, so some of the areas are going to be cut short or added to. It's just a different layout. So here we had the mud room that we just passed, and this is the study. We will have a study in our home. We won't use it for that, but we will have the study, and this is a full bathroom off of the study. And you had the option to make a full bathroom or a powder room. This is formal living room, formal dining room. So our setup will have a side-by-side formal living room, formal dining room, which is nice. So we're talking about spaces. You can see that we were able to have everything as a traditional layout, still have an open concept. Here's the pantry, and they call this the butler's pantry area. So pantry, and then this area is nice if you want to have extra shelving and place like your china or whatever. Like I said, this particular subdivision does have gas, ours doesn't. So that's one thing that's different about Dallas, the area we're in. Our kitchen won't be set up like this. We won't have the island as I'm pointing out right there, the small island in the countertop. We'll just have the large island that will keep it open. This is a shot of the backyard. This is a half-acre lot. Our lot is 0.33, so a little bit over a quarter of an acre. That's the Juliet balcony and the curved stairs. And Asian and I love that, the windows, floor to ceiling windows. Our layout won't have floor to ceiling, but we do have an open space like that, which is going to be nice. You can see as I came in here, there's a sitting area to the right. We do have that. This is the primary. Asia loved that mirror. So you can see like the scope, size of the room, primary, bathroom. So we were talking about, or I was showing you the counter space. So it's separate here, the tub, and then you have the one side with the vanity here, which will be Asia's side, and then you have the other side, non-vanity, but more than enough space for me. I don't need all that space. But it's good to have separate too. Shower with the bench in it, nice. Closet, walk in. It's a decent size. They lost a little bit of closet space in this subdivision because of the layout requirement. So coming out here, it's the doorway there, and now we're going up the stairs. This is the game room or loft. They don't have a media room in this particular subdivision, so off of our game room will be a media room. And this is again another like guest suite for you to have just a secondary. We could choose to have this as our primary if we wanted to. It's a little bit smaller, so we will definitely use this as the guest suite, and it has a full bathroom here. You can see to the right, after we come out this door, would have been another room, but they have it set up for the design center, so I'm not going to show that. But you can see here, I mean, look at that. So we comparing spaces. I mean, look what you're looking out to. So that's one of the things again that kind of was like a no-brainer for us. Like, man, look what we're getting. This is another room, as you can see, walk-in closet, which will be nice. Jack and Jill set up, so you come out of one room through the bathroom and you go into the other. Our kids are gonna love that. Maybe not so much as they grow up, but definitely. But they do have their own space. They just share the shower area. So the shower and toilet. And here they have this set up as a nursery, but there's another walk-in closet there, and this is another room. So you can kind of get the idea of it. And here we go. I'm walking out, and we're going to see this overlook again. I mean, one of the nice things about the way that they lay these homes out and the amount of space that you get is you get those views, you get those overlooks, and they're able to proportion the house to where you can get all of the space, usable space. And so that was it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification, leave a comment, let us know if you like this type of content, and we will